Hello everyone, today we are making a delicious local Malawian dish and I'm excited to take you through it. So here are my ingredients, as you can see. So I started off by cleaning the fish. It's called Micheni. It may look simple, but let me tell you, it wasn't cheap. So once I cleaned my fish thoroughly, I heated the pan, put in oil, and then added in the fish to fry. While that was going on, I began chopping up the tomatoes, onions, keeping it simple and local, just the way we like it. Yeah. So once one side of the fish was golden crispy, I flipped it over to cook the other side as well. When it was perfectly done, I took the fish out and set it aside. Using the same pot, I added in the onions, then threw in tomatoes. Yeah, I didn't use any extra spices, just a bit of salt. We're going the traditional way. I give it a nice stir, then added in the fish, the fried fish back into the pot. I mixed it gently with the tomatoes and the onion mixture, then sprinkled in some chopped green onions on top to give it that fresh, appetizing look. I added in a bit of water and let everything simmer for about 5 minutes, and that was it. Our delicious fish stew was ready. Just look at how beautiful that looks. I served it with Nsima and beans on the side. You know how we love our Nsima. And please don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Trust me, this was a 10 out of 10. Karibu!